Falkon Chat and AI work together to save time, simplify website engagement, and turn visitor questions into real, secure conversations. Visitors see the chat widget in the bottom right-hand corner of your website. A custom welcome message greets them, and they can either ask the question as a guest to get an instant answer without signing in, or enter their name and email if they're interested in continuing the conversation beyond the website later. Then, AI answers questions when it knows the answer, and a live agent is notified every time a new message comes in. This ensures consistent performance and a professional customer experience from start to finish. The main dashboard is where you can edit your personal account and see live snapshots of your activity over the past day, week, or month, so you can always know how your team is performing. The Conversations tab is your central inbox for all website chat activity. Here you can stay organized by switching between channels when managing multiple websites. You can easily filter conversations by time range, priority low, medium, or high, category unread, assigned to you, or archived, and if the status is opened or closed. Set up pre-written templates to respond faster and maintain consistency in tone across multiple team members. Perfect for your greetings, follow-ups, and common support questions. Automation rules are another way to keep conversations moving without adding extra work for your team. You can create automation rules for any of your chat channels, giving you flexibility for each. You start by adding a rule. First, name the automation, then select a trigger condition like message inactivity or a specific keyword. Next, you'll enter the custom message you want Falkon Chat to send automatically when that condition is met. With Falkon Chat AI, you can train the system using your own content to deliver accurate, reliable responses to website visitors. You can upload documents and connect specific website pages to serve as the AI's knowledge base. Once trained, the AI automatically responds to visitor questions when the answer is known and supported by your content. When a question falls outside of its knowledge, the AI does not guess or fabricate responses. Instead, the conversation is seamlessly routed to a live agent, ensuring accuracy, compliance, and a consistently professional experience for every visitor. Now let's talk about how Falkon Chat gets added to your website. In the Channels tab, you'll create your chat widget step by step. First, you'll name your chat widget, upload your logo, and choose brand colors and a preferred layout. You can also toggle on or off the greeting message. You control how visitors start a chat, how long their session stays active, and what information you collect before the conversation begins. Next, Falkon Chat will provide a code snippet that you can simply copy and paste into the body section of your website. Finally, you'll enter your website URL to validate the setup. Once validated, your chat widget goes live instantly on your site. These settings ensure both you and your website visitors have the right experience inside Falkon Chat. Thanks for watching.